In this video, we are going to generalize the result from the previous video. So find the shortest distance from the point P, so capital P, with position vector lowercase p, to the line L, where r is equal to a plus lambda d. So a is the position vector, d is the direction vector of the line. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a diagram so we can visualize what's going on. So here's the line L, and here I'm going to put P here. Now, what we know is the shortest distance is going to be this distance, such that that's making a right angle with the line L, and we're going to label that as H. Then I'm going to choose a point on the line, okay, this point here, which I'm going to say is capital A, and this has position vector lowercase a. Okay? So, the idea here is that here's our angle theta, so it's making an angle theta with the line, and this vector from A to P, so A to P is equal to OP minus OA, which is P minus A. So that's going to be my setup. So what I can say from this is that sine of the angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay, so I need the length of P take away A. So that means that H is equal to the length of P take away A times sine of the angle theta. Okay, now from the vector product, because we've got the line L is going in the direction D, we can say that D crossed with P take away A, so the length of that is going to be equal to the length of D times the length of P take away A times sine of the angle. Now we've just said that this bit is H. So we've got D cross P take away A is equal to D times H. And so H is equal to the length of the cross product of D and P take away A divided by the length of D. And so this is a formula that can be used to work out the shortest distance from a point to a line, where A is a position vector on the line, P is the position vector of the point in question, and D is the direction vector of the line.